Beer here, Bud Light Lime. It's actually pretty good, eh? If you don't like, say, lemonade and stuff, you won't like it. It do have citrus to it. I'm just drinking that. I've drank that. And then I got one left. Anyway, I'll show you a little trick here. My shed door kept popping open, right? Because this hook. This hook keeps popping open, right? So I said, okay, I'll fix you. See what I'm talking about? It pops open. Well, I fixed that.
103.9 FM and 97.1 FM. Our country is now Clarenville's country.
Voice script's good for many uses. I slip them on there, like so. Hold it in place. This might be a stupid video, you know, but I'm drunk, so fuck it, right? Anyway, guys, have a good night. Drink up.